A smoke detector.
Its work: once it get smoke around it, its sensor sense the smoke and activate the fire control panel. Once it get smoke, it activate the alarm on the control panel and its location. Fire sprinkler head components. Is a deflector. Once the tube activate, it spread the water around it. Temperature sensitive glass bulb. See this frame. You can see here symbol of a sprinkler. There are many type of tube and its color and operating temperature, so you can find which type of your tube and what is the operating temperature.